What is good, y'all? We are back with yet another video today. Currently heading to the pier. So as you guys know, I'm from SF. I made the amazing decision of driving downtown where the potholes are endless. As you guys know, potholes are my dreaded nightmare here in the city. If it's not hills, it's potholes, and downtown is not the place to be if you care about your car, care about your car suspension, or if you're lowered. Linking up at the pier with one of my homies, Beto, aka King Films. I'm gonna drop his IG tag right here. He's one of my little brother's homies. He tapped in with me a while back. I've been meaning to record my intro for like the longest now. Luckily, I got him by my side, so we're gonna be linking up right now. We're gonna be talking a game plan. We're gonna be hitting the Marin Headlands. If you guys are familiar with that spot, then you know. If you don't, you're in for a treat. I'm gonna be showing you guys around, giving you guys the whole view from across the bridge. It's the Golden Gate viewpoint is what they call it. And the beautiful thing about it is you can literally see the whole city. So stay tuned if you're trying to see the amazing views that the Marin Headlands has to offer, views of the city and all. For now, we're gonna cruise and just link up with the homies, so stay tuned on that. Not to mention the traffic that builds up. We're running a little behind on schedule, so now we're just gonna chop it up, figure out some game plans, some ideas for the video, and go from there. So I thought I was running late, but it turns out little homie's actually running a bit late. I don't mind, the view's amazing. I do look like a tourist today. I look like a complete tourist in my own city. Now I typically don't come down here, but I mean, it's a whole vibe. They talk about LA being like the scene for like views and stuff like that, but SF got its own secret spots. To be honest, we chose a beautiful ass day to take this video today. I'm not even sure what you call those, but I'll still take them to the Applebee's. Golden Gate Bridge is back there. We're literally gonna be on that side of the bridge in a few minutes after we talk over the game plan and figure things out. All right, so homie just pulled up. We're getting a couple of shots right now. Y'all see the M. I've been meaning to do a little intro for the longest. I've been meaning to tap in. We finally came through.
Yes, sir.
You sure? So stay tuned on that. So there's definitely more to it than just, you know, grabbing a camera, picking it up, and shooting the shot.
You see that movement though?
Y'all saw it in the background. Settings, lens, camera, everything. It all takes into account when you're filming something like this. Hopefully, you know, we can showcase something for y'all.
It's gonna take at least like 20 attempts until we get the right one. So we gotta.
Y'all heard it here.
Gotta give them the right.
So yeah, you guys can see some behind the scenes. If y'all wondering why it took so long, it's because I knew I had to find the right person. We started in the back, wanted to get the little emblem. Coming up to the front, little transition. Following that, I'm gonna be walking into the scene, into my car, starting it, and then from there, take off to the Marin. So we just shot the first, second scene. Now we're gonna try to do me entering the car. I'm telling y'all, it's not that simple. Y'all think it's just 1, 2, it takes more. Yeah.
I think there's something wrong.
I told you I'm not joking.
It's probably a fuse,
Windows
bro.
are doing maybe?
Yeah. Take 3, hopefully. Third one's a charm. So you know I had to let homie take driver's seat for the little.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I feel special sitting in here.
Yes, sir. Anything for the perfect shot. What you feeling? What you feeling?
Amazing, this car's raw.
Some behind the scenes sneak peeks. We get in there. All right, so we about to teach homie how to.
What you mean by that? No.
But yeah, we about to teach the homie how to turn it on and get some revs up for the actual shot that we're about to shoot right now. First startup. We're gonna see if he's worthy of owning an M. How's it looking?
Hold on, dude. Hold on. Hold on.
All right, so homie tossed over the camera.
Yeah.
He was a bit nervous behind the scene, but
Aw, cool.
All right, bro. So I just start right there, huh?
Yeah.
And then from there, just
I'm gonna add that on the when I'm editing.
so just like that.
Yeah,
huh?
so you could just do it like that. Yeah, it ain't that easy, yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
It ain't that
takes-
easy, yeah.
Play it back. Right? So as you guys can see, bro, we're trying to figure this out right now. We want the perfect shot. Nothing less, nothing more. It's gonna take a couple tries, but at the end of the day, the video.
Look, so you almost got it.
Almost. We got the big guns today. Y'all see it, Sony A3. This quality right here. Sure.
Go ahead.
Alright, so we just finished filming the first part of the video. Next things next is we're gonna actually hop on the bridge, get some roller shots. Parts of the video do incorporate us on the bridge. After that, straight to Marin Headlands. From there, get some curvy roadside scenarios, and then the point of view from the actual viewpoint.
My life depends on Frenzy. Live or die, that's on him.
That's on him. Alright, let's get it. Alright, green means go. Okay, so we're gonna do some quick tunnel action. Homeboy wants to record a video for the gram, for TikTok. I'm down for it, so we're gonna hit the Marin Headlands tunnel real quick, do a couple flybys, and see how it comes out. See, that's a tunnel right there. If you know where the spot's at, then you're truly from the Bay. If not, I can show you. You can see it, we're in the Marin Headlands now. Made it past the bridge. We're trying to get to the top for the overlook. Once we get up there, we're gonna shoot the final part of the video, and I'm gonna give you guys some awesome shots up there, some point of views whatsoever. I mean, just take a look at it. You escape the city for a while, you come vibe out here, put a couple tracks on, turn up the music, and just cruise with it, to be honest. Not much more you can really ask for. We'll show y'all once we get to the top what it's looking like from up there. But as of right now, this is the scene right now. All right, so we made it to the top. Right on, bro. Thank you. We made it to the top officially. I mean, I'm gonna have to show you guys the view real quick, cause
Oh, I got. What's this? What's this?
You guys have it. This is Marin Headlands overlook point of view. Literally the whole city, from the Sea Cliff to the Richmond to the Presidio to the Marina, all the way to the Bay Bridge. What you think, bro?
Don't get in a relationship.
Damn, you heard it here first. All right, so for the next shot, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be cruising down the windy roads of the Marin Headlands. We got homie in the trunk, sacrificing it. So he's setting up the stabilizer right now. Yes, sir.
I do for Alexndr, man. Come on now.
Man, dream team.
We can kidnap him right now if we wanted to.
It's good, bro. Look,
Like that?
just straight.
And you got
boom.
the skeezy.
But yeah, like I was saying, we're gonna do that real quick, shoot those shots. After that, pretty much gonna close it off with the actual view of the city, the car, and myself. I'm excited. Finally getting this intro done, so.
And some Moe's burgers.
And some Moe's burgers, yes sir. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Let's do it. Close my trunk. Oh, see, that would be sick.
I do it at some point.
It's good, you do what you gotta do, and then we'll go from there. Let's get it. So, closing it out, you guys. Until next time, stay tuned for any more content that we may provide. Like I said, we're gonna bring content for you guys. I got a bunch of parts ready for the Beamer. It's literally just been this intro that's been holding me back. Apart from that, I mean, what more can I ask for? Good vibes. Video is gonna be edited, hopefully done by the end of the week. After that, it's just gonna be vlog after vlog after vlog, after party after vlog. And like little homie said,
Don't get in a relationship.
damn, you heard it here first. Don't get into a relationship, y'all. So we just finished filming the video. Only thing left to do now is just get the footage, edit it. It's a pretty successful day. Nice weather, good vibes. Homies came out. Only thing left to do is just get some food and enjoy the view. So like always, do be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Peace.
We go on the beat.
Telling y'all, everybody eat good real
Right
quick.
here we got the mushroom burger, avocado, bacon, everything.
We got everything on it. Time to munch. You sure? Time to eat.